Check that out. That is a tornado right there. See? Right there is the tornado. That's New Mexico. That's a tornado hitting the ground right there. See all the sides there? That's some crazy shit. I don't know if I want to go into that. We'll see what happens. So I think it was a tornado that just hit the ground over there, like a really, really small one. Because if this cloud that's twisting around came down it looked like a really small finger came down, hit the ground. That's what it looked like I was looking at there. And then it kind of just materialized and went back up. Wow, that is some driving rain right there, man. Dude, that's some crazy shit. Whoa, that's getting slick. Gear. I think I better drive this truck. Well, that got a little interesting for a few minutes, but I always figure that if I got contact on the ground, keep going, because it's, in my opinion, it's safer to keep driving. You gotta slow down, and as long as you can maintain good contact with the ground, just kind of slowly push your way through it is usually safer than trying to hang out and deal with that crap. Dude, that is a lot of hail on the ground. It looks like it snowed, man. Dude, that is cool. Well, there's the traction control. Slowly pushing through it. There's some better ground right over there. There's some better ground right over here. There we go. See? Better asphalt right here. Whoa. Yeah, I'm coming into Vaughn right now. And right after you get past that rain ribbon, where it goes from hail to rain, like it never even happened, but it's, I don't know, it doesn't really intimidate me. You just gotta slow down, make sure you're getting good traction, but I find it's better to, if you have traction and you can get through it, just push through it instead of sitting there and letting the truck just get pounded by the hail. So that's why I usually keep going.